If you read one email, you will earn $2. If you read 10 emails, you may get paid over $20. As you can see, people from Russia, Canada, Pakistan, South Africa, Brazil, Kenya, and different countries around the world, withdrawing over $2, over $6, and even over $10 every minute from this website by just opening and reading emails. So here, you can get paid to read emails worldwide and from any country around the world. All you have to do is to open up the email, read it, and just click on confirm this paid email, and boom, you will be credited with 80 cents, over $1, and sometimes over $2 for just reading emails. I will show you two websites today to earn money online reading emails, and the second one is my favorite because that's where you can get paid the most amount of money for each email you read. But before we start, I want to introduce you to this new play to earn games app called Dollar Shooter. I will leave a link to this app in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can download this app using that link. Once you install the app, you can open it and it will ask you for the invite code. And the good thing is that you can use my code, which is CashPro, and you will be credited with 300,000 coins. So as you can see, I am about to play the first level of this game. And to start playing, all I need to do is tap on the screen and the game will start. So all we have to do is to collect as many positive green dollar signs as possible and try to avoid the red and negative numbers as much as possible. And if there is no choice to avoid them, just choose to mess with the small negative numbers. One thing you must have noticed is that you are continuously shooting $1 straight to the number in front of you. Whether your own number is positive or negative, you will keep shooting the positive $1 to the numbers in front of you. And this will increase the positive number and it will decrease the negative red number, which is really